I don't train my dogs. My dogs are not well trained. Go! At least that's what the comments were for my last video about my lovely boy over here attacking my child's foot while we were playing a game. Apparently I'm a danger and an unfit parent because I don't train my dogs. Sit. Jack, what are you doing? Okay, I will admit I am working on Jack a little bit more. What is that? No. Oh, well, Juliet got that. I didn't really get that on camera here. So what I've done with Juliet is I've trained her rather well, I might add. If you've seen some of my videos, I often walk them without a leash. And they're quite social with other dogs, as well as small children. Jack here seems to think that all small children want to pet him. Well, they both think that. But in the event they come across a small child that they don't know and is unfamiliar with them, I have them lay down and stay. I can do that without treats. Sit! No. But my problem now, with Jack especially, is when he gets excited, he is quite obedient and quite well trained. So he's trying to give me a paw. But he's not as well trained as Juliet is. He still gets super excited. But when he's patient, no, you stay, he gets a reward. I'm still working on him to be properly trained. For the life of me, I can't figure out why he decided that my child being on my shoulders was so exciting and wants to nip at him. It's not really a problem because he doesn't hurt anyone or anything. And my son actually does seem to enjoy it. But I want him to stop because he's a good boy. And I thought I would share that little bit of silliness with YouTube, but the Karens out there wanted to offer their commentary and how I'm just an awful, awful person and irresponsible. Come here! Sit! You're not getting treats for that. Oh yeah, they also said that my dogs are the ones in charge. Nip! Come on! I mean, some of this is just natural. I don't have any more treats for them. Sit! 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 Juliet? Yeah, take your time. Here I am singing your praises.